Well, big boost for railways. Prime Minister Modi is going to be unveiling projects at more than 2,000 locations simultaneously today. Redevelopment of new stations in Mumbai and MMR region will also be on a large scale. Anurag Shah, my colleague, caught up with Sumit Thakur, the Chief Public Relations Officer of Western Railways.
This is a mega investment. 40,000, more than 41,000 crore investment is there for the station redevelopment and for the elimination of level crossing gates by providing ROB, RUB, limited height subways. These stations of Indian Railways are getting a major facelift. More than 1,300 stations are being listed under the Amrit Bharat station schemes. Work is in progress at various stations, like if you talk about Western Railway, work is in advanced stage in Surat, Udna, Sabarmati, Somnath, all these stations. And 2 years back, we have completed Gandhinagar Capital Station, Rani Kamlapati Station in Bhopal, or
Sir, so if you talk about the Mumbai and Mumbai MMR region, how many stations will come under the redevelopment, which are the major stations will be under this redevelopment project? We will see the overall overhauling.
This phase we are doing 19 stations with an investment of almost 500 crore. In previous phase also we have covered some of the stations of Mumbai MMR Mumbai region. This phase we are taking up 19 stations which are of both Central Railway and Western Railway. If I will name you the full name of these few stations, these stations are Marine Line, Charni Road, Grant Road, Lower Pare, Prabhat Devi, Jogeshwari, Malad, Palghar of Western Railway. And if we talk of Central Railway, these are Bhaikala, Sandhurst, Chichpokli, Wadala Road, Matunga, Kurla, Vidya Vihar, Mumra, Divas, Titwala, Sahab, Igatpuri, all these stations.
So these stations will get complete overhaul.
Yes, this complete overhaul will be there. First of all, we will improve the facade. Then the entry-exit point will be more marked. Proper signages will be provided. Lighting will be improved. New FOBs, 12-meter wide FOB, lift escalator will come up there. Platforms will become clutter-free. Then we will develop the top roof plaza also. All this station will develop as a city center. There will be better parking facilities also. Drainage facilities will be improved. So when we come to this station, passenger will get a new look and feel, and their journey will become hassle-free. So it is a major work investment in Indian Railways, and Honorable Prime Minister is doing has given a gift to the big gift to the Indian Railways passengers and to the Indian.